I'm Jen and I'm going to show you a tour of my very first apartment. And here's a little backstory. I ended up moving out on my own at 25 and a friend of mine actually helped me find this little cute studio. So just a little disclaimer, I don't actually live here anymore. This was from a few years back, but I really wanted to show you what my little tiny studio looks like and how I managed to live in it and design it the way I wanted to design my first home on my own. Okay, well I hope you enjoy the video and the tour that I will show you right now. Alright, here we are in the living space. As soon as you walk in, to the right is a twin-size bed. There is no entryway and it has a built-in wardrobe. Sometimes I wish it wasn't there so I could have more space to work with. Okay, onto the hallway slash closet space area that leads to the bathroom. As you can see, the bathroom is pretty tight, but what I like about it was the clawfoot tub. I wanted a living space, but I still wanted a dining area. So what I did here is I made a little breakfast bar out of some IKEA items. And you can see here it was still narrow enough to fit in my kitchen. If you want a tutorial on this, you can follow the link in the description and that'll lead you to my blog post on an IKEA hack on how to make this breakfast bar. Okay, that is the end of the tour. I know this was a really short video and I really hope you were able to get some inspiration in making your own studio yours. Thanks for watching!